In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find or reset your Apple ID password. Before you dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But first, on an iPhone or an iPad, I recommend opening up the Passwords app. And go ahead at the very bottom and just search for your Apple account and just tap on it. If your password is saved within here, you're able to go ahead and select it and it'll show after your Face ID or passcode. If you're on a browser like Chrome or Safari, check that password manager under settings and security and look for those Apple saved login details there. If you still can't find it though, go ahead and select on your settings and then tap on your Apple ID up at the very top and then select sign in and security. And once it does load, you'll have an option to change your password. Go ahead and change it if you're on a trusted device. On top of that, if you are on a trusted device though, you can actually reset it with just your passcode or Face ID after a short delay. Finally, if nothing does work, go ahead and open up a web browser and type in iforgot.apple.com and hit enter. And it's going to take you to a page that looks like this where you'll be able to follow the prompts to reset your password and recover your account. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.